So by default, the pixel that you see on your screen is square. But what you can actually do is you can go ahead and stretch out the pixels that you see for videos if needed. Let's say, for example, if a particular video is not stretched out properly, then you can go ahead and change the aspect ratio of the pixel like this by stretching it. So right now what you see is square, and square means the aspect ratio is 1:1, but you can stretch out the pixel so that the aspect ratio is 2:1 and so forth. So you can go ahead and apply the same principle while you're converting video. So I'm just going to go around over here onto file, let's say for example, and then select out a video that I want to go ahead and convert right here. Let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and select out this video right here, just like this. So now in order to change the aspect ratio of this particular footage, you can go around over here onto dimension right here. And here you can see that resolution and scaling is an option right here, just like this. And the pixel aspect is square, so it's 1:1 as you can see. But I can go around onto custom and change it out. Let's say for example, I can make it 2 right here so that it squeezes in right here. So once you do that, what happens is that the video will be stretched out, and you can see that this is what you have. So it actually scaled out the size right here. But let me just go around and keep it to 1080 itself right here, 1920 to 1080. And if I were to change this out, you can see that I can go ahead and stretch out the pixels right here, just like this. And then as I stretch it out, you can see that you start losing details right here. So the pixels, it uses 7 pixels instead of 1 right here. So let me just go around even more onto 13 pixel right here, and you can see that this is what you have. So you do have enough vertical pixels right here, just like this, but horizontally it has been stretched out. And this is how you can go ahead and change this out, as you can see right here. You can use optimal size right here, just like this as well, to get out the details as you want right here. So this is what you have right here. So let's just go ahead right here, and let's say for example, select out something like 31. So there's only 34 pixels being used right here, and you can see that it changed that out. So let me just go around and let's say for example, type in something like 200 right here, just like this, and this is the result that you have. And if you want to go ahead and export it, of course you can go ahead and browse and export this out. So I'm just going to go around onto my drive right here, go around onto my video folder right here, and under export I'm just going to go around and say aspect ratio right here, just like this. Click on save and then start the encode process right here. So you can see that it is preparing to encode, and it'll process out accordingly right there. And now it has been converted, and in the folder, this is what you have now. So if I were to go ahead and open it out right here, then what happens is that the video will play out, and you can see that since I changed around the aspect ratio, vertically it is fine, but you can see that horizontally there's less number of pixels right here. And that is how you can go ahead and change around the aspect ratio of video inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.